Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and students, and welcome to Tuesday, December 10th of 2019. And here are our morning announcements for today. So, boys and girls, I know some of us already started our winter map testing, but I want to remind everybody these tests are pretty important. So you need to make sure that you're doing your best on these. So the teachers use this data that you take from these tests to make your groups up, to see what conversations we need to have with you when we have conferences to set your goals. And also we use it to share with parents too, to tell how good you're doing. So even though it is just one test, and that is very true, it is very important that you try to do your best on these. So boys and girls, when you do take your map tests, whether it's this week or next week, just do your best on them. That's all we're asking. Do your best effort. For December birthdays for today, we don't have any December birthdays, but we do have one coming up later on this week. Our lunch choices are waffle with sausage, cheeseburger, or fun on the run. And today our Paws expectations are brought to us by kindergarten students in Mrs. Hirsch's and Mrs. Green's class. Alright, boys and girls, it is time for our Paws, and we have some kindergarten students here from Miss Green and Mrs. Hirsch's class today who are to share some things about Paws and expectations.
So, I be respectful for my mom and dad. I be respectful and clean my mess. Always be nice to people. Keep your hands still and you go down and fly.
Awesome. Thank you guys very much. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. Please stand for a Pledge of Allegiance. Alright, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, boys and girls. I appreciate that. And everybody have a great day today. Let's do our best. And if you are involved with the math club, that is happening after school. So just remember, if you are part of the math club, that is today after school. Have a wonderful day.